BAVERO, I hope I pronounced that right, and Joe Fleming. Congratulations on your amazing transformations. It was very, very difficult for us to choose the winners because the competition was that strong, but you guys came out on top. So congratulations, hats off to you. I know that you went through a lot of sacrifice in order to witness this transformational success. So hats off. And to all of our other competitors that competed, that continued to the very end and transformed, you all did absolutely amazing. Keep this up. Do not go back to the way you were. Remember, we are here to evolve together and keep each other accountable and motivated. Thank you ever so much. Congratulations once again.